We gon' keep on spending money, cause it keep on coming in. Mama told me why I'm spending, I don't see no end to this. I'ma keep on buying dope, gold pen and gold roll. I'ma keep on popping sticks, hope I can remember this. And we go way back, hey, that don't mean nothing when your homies just turn right. I can't feel nothing, I'm still numb off the famous pain. This for all my homies who left and they came back. God bless my homies who still serving this 2 a.m. I'm up in the valley, need some codeine dreams. Slanging Caro coat with Benzo, the fuck you know about me? It ain't nothing, no discussion. Kill slave for the Benjis and profits. I got banana clips and chopper split. You put you in coffin, sipping banana split. Get that beat attack with a tuss, ain't holding grip in your life. Blood, no need for the fighting and fussing. Matter of fact, way past that, cause now you 6 feet deep. All but sixes rolling, stalking, hawking 4 licks, so I creep on my knee. You'll never catch me cause I'm too G'd up. Keep a shake on my head, little Migo, got a stick in about 4 lines in my cup. Boy, get to walking, little man. I'm bout my money, little man. I pull my heat, I bout to draw you like some chalk in this tank. Those script keep calling my name. Birds in the trap and they say, keep on grinding, guarantee it gon' pay off not in the day. That's why we hardly the same. There ain't no shame in my game. This all about loyalty, then why you throwing salt on my name? We gon' keep on spending money, cause it keep on coming in. Mama told me why I'm spending, I don't see no end to this. I'ma keep on buying dope, gold pen and gold roll. I'ma keep on popping sticks, hope I can remember this. And we go way back, hey, I don't do nothing when your homies just